A tree that serves as a natural insecticide. What an amazing tree this is. Introducing Subiang Bridelia insulana of the family Phyllantaceae. The genus name Bridelia honors the French botanist Jean-Baptiste Bridel. The species name insulana derives from the Latin word insula, meaning island, indicating its association with island habitat. Subyang is distributed in the Philippines. It can also be found from Tenasserim to New Guinea. It is common in primary and old second-growth forests, particularly at low altitudes. Subyang is a small tree growing to 10 meters high and attaining a diameter of 20 centimeters. Balls are straight, cylindrical, at times bent and short. Boiling the barks in water and macerating the fruits in water produces a blackish extract. The fruit extract is manually rubbed onto the fabric and handmade paper to be colored. Bridelia insulana is a traditional medicine used to treat fever, malaria, and other ailments. It is also a natural insecticide for its anti-inflammatory properties. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.